Today, we're diving into a product that's crucial for anyone looking to upgrade their factory car speakers with aftermarket options without the hassle of extensive modifications. The 6-inch 6.5 and 6.75-inch F Plus are car stereo speaker install bracket plates along with the speaker wire set, made specifically for a range of Ford models, is something that might catch the eye of both seasoned car audio enthusiasts and newbies alike. What makes these speaker brackets a worthy buy is their compatibility with several Ford models ranging from 2015 to 2021, including popular models like the Mustang, Fusion, and Escape, among others. This broad compatibility is a significant plus as it simplifies the process of finding the right fit for your vehicle. The construction of the brackets themselves is worth noting. Made from high-grade plastic, these brackets promise durability and a resistance to corrosion that's essential in the varying environments of a car door. This material choice not only ensures that the bracket will hold the speaker securely but also survives the typical wear and tear without issues. One of the standout features is the adaptability of these brackets to accommodate speakers of sizes 6-inch, 6.5, and 6.75. This flexibility is particularly valuable because it means you can upgrade or change your speakers without needing to buy new brackets each time, providing a cost-effective solution for audiophiles who like to tweak or upgrade their setups regularly. However, it's important to note that some minor modifications might be required depending on the specific speaker model. This is pretty standard in the world of car audio, where universal fits are rare, but it's something to be prepared for. You might need to make slight adjustments or trim the brackets slightly, which is normal and should not deter you from considering this product. The installation. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.